welcome to a quick video on how to do the mango lassi simply using these ingredients. So here I've already got, you can use fresh mangoes if you've got them, but I prefer to, because I want to do it quickly, use these mango pulp, easily available everywhere as does Tesco. Some full fat milk, get the full fat, not the semi-skimmed, this is best for the taste. And some authentic Greek yogurt. You can use natural yogurt if you like, but I like the taste of Greek yogurt. And then I'm going to put some sugar for taste, or because the pulp is sweet you don't really need to, but I like to give it a little bit more sugary taste, and just to balance it off, a smidgen of salt goes into the ingredients, and that's all it is. So here we go. Because I'm using the small Nutri-Ninja, you can adjust the ingredients according to the size of your liquidizer or whatever implement that you're using. So here we go. Lassi will come out, so just bear that in mind. So mine's going to be quite thick, and if you want it a bit thinner, then just add a little bit more milk to the ingredients. That was about 4 tablespoonfuls of yogurt. Now I'm just going to pour in some milk. And to be honest with the milk, I do it by sight, so you're looking at around, for this one, about 150 mils to 200 mils of milk. And then just pour in the mango pulp. So that's going to be about 200 mils of mango pulp. And then sugar, you can do it to taste. I'm not going to put too much. So that's 2 heaped teaspoons of sugar. And then a smidgen of salt, not too much, just a little bit. So half a teaspoon, I would say, goes in there. And that's all there is to it. What I need to do now is put it on the liquidizer. So I'm just going to pause the video for a minute. So it should literally just take about 20 seconds, or 10 to 20 seconds. And that's it, we're done. Okay, so I'm going to now pour it, let's see the results. Okay, so let's see how it's come out. So I like it quite thick, so as you can see, the mango lassi's come out quite thick. So if you wanted it a bit thinner, then then what I suggest is you use less yogurt, or if you want to keep the yogurt consistency the same, just add a little bit more milk. But with my one, because it's a small container, the only way you're going to do it with a small one like this is use less yogurt, use a little bit more mango or a little bit more milk, and then you will become a bit runnier. And ideally what you want to do, I don't want it ice cold, but what I like to do sometimes is if you want it to have a nice little cold edge to it, after you've done it like this, once you've got it like this, put in a couple of cubes of ice cubes, and then just put it back on the Nutri-Ninja liquidizer for literally about a second or two, just to leave a few crystals, and it comes out lovely. Well everyone, hope you liked the video, hope this helped. Take care, bye bye.